Hello kids. Today we are going to see a wonderful story about a boy. The story name is The Boy Who Went Out of the World. The Boy Who Went Out of the World. This is the boy. This boy was named Sidhu. He was living with his parents in a beautiful village. He had so many friends that were playing there. It was his beautiful hut and the place looks very beautiful. Even though Sidhu was not happy at all. He was bored at all the time and he thought there was not any interesting thing that was happening in his life. So he was thinking, what shall we do to make our life interesting? In this world, the life was getting very bored. So we shall go to some other world. For that, what can we do? Like that, he thought. He thought to go to some other world because he felt that the life in this world was very bored. So he was thinking like that and he decided finally to meet one of the wise man in that village. He was that wise man sitting on the chair. This boy Sidhu went to meet him and this boy Sidhu told his problem to this wise man. And the wise man, after hearing his problem, he gave a magic lantern. What it is? A magic lantern. This was the magic lantern he gave to Sidhu to fulfill his wishes. He gave this lantern to Sidhu to fulfill his wishes. Sidhu got this lantern happily and went back to the home. After going home with that lantern, he requested the magic lantern that he want to go to some other world. And similarly, he went to some other world. This was that world and there it was so hot and he was very thirsty and he couldn't find any water in anywhere else. He found only big stones and cactus like that. He felt it is difficult to stay here. So this is difficult to stay in this world. So he thought that with magic lantern we will go to some other world. So he went to another world which seems to be so dark. There was no light and finally he came to know in this world sun will not come. It will only dark always. Is it possible to stay here in this world? No. Is it possible? No. It is not possible to stay always in the dark. So at the time only he realized our beauty of our world. He thought, in our world, the nature gave us everything what we need. We are having beautiful mountains, green trees, waterfalls, sea, river, lot of animals, pleasant air. So nature is giving us what we need. So our world is so beautiful and wonderful than comparing the other world. So what is the moral of the story, kids? The moral of the story is we should be happy with what we have. We should be happy with what we have. We should thank God for what He has given to us. We should thank God what God has given to us. Okay, kids? So, we should be happy with what we are having. Okay, I think you enjoy the story. I will meet you in the next session. See you.